Get ready for class. Open textbook, notebook, and take pen. And listen what I am saying and see what I am writing. And then only you have to write the notes. Okay. We are doing factorization on algebraic formulae a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a plus b plus c whole square, a square minus b square, and a quadratic expression ax square plus bx plus c, x square plus bx plus c, and ax square plus bx plus c. Quadratic equation with coefficient a, quadratic expression with coefficient 1. Expressions, not equations. If we put equal to 0, we say they are equations. So we did all the problems on this formula. Now today on one more formula, aq plus bq and aq minus bq. Then the formulas are aq plus bq. aq plus bq formula is equal to, we can write this as a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. See, when we multiply these two, we get this. When we multiply with this, we get 3 terms. When we multiply by b, we get again 3 terms. Totally we get 6 terms. Among the 6 terms, some terms are same with different sign. So they cancel only these two are left. We say that only a formula. That is a formula. That is a formula. Now another formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square. The middle plus will come plus ab plus b square. So these are the formulae. On this formulae, these are the factors. That's all. If we know formula, we can easily write. So this is 4H exercise 4H. First problem. A cube plus 1. Second, x cube plus 8. Third, 8x cube plus 1. Fourth, x cube minus 27. And fifth, a cube minus 8. Sixth, 27 m cube minus 8. Seventh, x cube plus 64. Eighth, 8a cube minus t power 6. Ninth, 10th, x cube plus 8b cube. 10th, 8a cube plus 27b cube. Let us do these 10 problems. So these are the formulae on a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b. The little minus is there, it will come on this. First one, see, it is a cube plus b cube 1 cube. It can be written as a cube plus 1 cube. We can split right factors a plus 1 into a squared plus ab, sorry, minus ab, a into 1, a into 1 plus b squared, 1 squared. And the next what we can write is a plus 1 into a squared minus a plus 1. That's all. These are the factors. And similarly, 8 is there. Here x cube plus 8 is there. 8 is nothing but 2 cube. So x cube plus 2 cube. It will come under a plus a cube plus b cube. So a plus b, x plus 2, and a squared, 2 squared plus ab, 2 into x into 2 plus 2 squared, b squared. Now simplify. X plus 2 into 4 of a squared, x squared plus 2x plus 4, like this. These are the factors. And this is 8x cube, 2x cube, 2x cube plus 1 cube, 2x plus 1 into, according to this formula, a plus b. In place of a, 2x is there, b means 1, and a squared, 2x squared plus 2 minus, plus means in the middle minus, plus means minus, plus means minus. Okay. Here minus 2x into 1 plus 1 squared. Close the bracket. Now this is 2x plus 1 into, this is 4x squared minus 2x plus 1. Next, x cube minus 3 cube, 27 minus 3 cube, a minus b, a cube minus b cube. Then minus inside the bracket plus x minus 3 into x squared minus x into 3 plus 3 squared. Minus means inside plus. Now this is x minus 3 into x squared plus 3x plus 9 are the factors. Now fourth, fifth, a cube minus 2 cube. A cube minus 2 cube. 8 can be written as 2 cube. 27, 3 cube. 64, 4 cube. 125, 5 cube. 216, 6 cube. 343, 7 cube. 512, 8 cube. 729, 9 cube. 1000, 10 cube. Like that. So by seeing only you can say, because we are studying 9th class now, by seeing the number you have to say immediately. Now 8 is there, 2 cube, a cube minus 2 cube. So this is, it will come under a cube minus b cube. So a minus 2 into a squared plus 2, a into 2 first plus 2 squared. Next, a minus 2 into a squared plus 2a plus 4, like this. Sixth, this is 27 is there, we know 3 cube, 8 is there, 2 cube. So this is 3m cube minus 2 cube. It will come under a cube minus b cube. Equal to 3m minus 2 bracket 3m squared plus 3m into 2 plus 2 squared. Okay. This is 3m minus 2 into 9m squared plus 6m plus 4. 2 squared is 4. So these are the factors. 7, 6, 7. This is x cube. 64 is the 4 cube. X plus 4 into x squared minus x into 4ab. A cube plus b cube. My plus is there. Whenever plus is there, you write minus inside. So 4 squared. In the next, x plus 4 into x squared minus 4x plus 60. These are the factors. 8. This is a 2a whole cube. Cube only. Minus b squared cube. No. 2a minus b squared into 2a squared plus 2a into b plus b squared into b squared squared. Close the bracket. Now this is 2a minus b squared into 4a squared plus 2ab squared plus b power 4. B squared squared. B power 4 are the factors. 9th. X squared is cube. 2b cube. It will come under this formula. A cube plus b cube. A cube x squared plus 2b into a squared x squared squared minus means plus means minus x squared into 2b plus 2b squared. Okay. Now this is x squared plus 2b into x power 4 minus 2b x squared plus 4b squared, like this. Now this is 2a whole cube plus 3b whole cube. 2a plus 3b whole into 2a whole square minus 2a into 3b plus 3b square. Finally, 2a plus 3b into 4a square minus 6ab plus 9b square. Close the bracket. These are the factors.